In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the side marker light in this 2004 Hyundai Santa Fe. This should be applicable to 01 to about 06 Hyundai Santa Fe's. Side marker light is right here. It's a small, tiny bulb. The part number for Sylvania is 168. That's what it looks like. There's going to be one on the left and one on the right side. If you're going to replace one, you might as well replace the other because the other one's probably going to go out within a couple months anyway. Price on this at my local auto parts store, Advanced Auto, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, they're all about $6.99, which is kind of high. Walmart has them for $3.99. Tool you're going to need, either a Phillips head screwdriver or a Phillips bit in your cordless drill. And as always, I recommend latex gloves when handling bulbs. Even if you wash your hands, the oil from your fingers gets on that bulb, it creates a hot spot, and that bulb is going to burn out prematurely. If you don't have latex gloves, use a Kleenex to touch the bulb and insert it into the socket. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open the hatch of the vehicle. And once the hatch is open, it reveals two Phillips headed screws. You're going to want to go ahead and take those out. And now to remove the housing, all you do is pull straight back. And there's plenty of wiring to expose where the bulb is. So right here is the bulb we're changing. It has this gray housing. It's kind of a dark gray housing. This light gray housing, to make this a little easier to come out, you're going to want to twist this one counterclockwise, pull that one out, and then you can pull out the side marker light housing, revealing the bulb that we're going to change. Now don't let your housing hang off the vehicle by the wire. I've put a zip tie around this bracket right here and put it up to the strut on the hatch. That way I can work around here a little easier and not have to worry about the housing falling down and pulling on the wiring. Now this bulb here, it's not a push and twist. You just pull it straight out. And that's what the bulb looks like. Now we just grab your new bulb. Remember, use a piece of tissue or toilet paper or latex gloves, just so you're not putting any type of oil or print on the new bulb, so it will last a lot longer. Simply push the bulb straight back in and do a reverse order. You're going to put this one back in first, but notice on here these three tabs. You have two small ones and one wide one. If you look on the housing, you have a wide slot right here. It has to go in a certain way, and then you're just going to insert, push all the way in, turn clockwise until you feel it lock into place, and then go ahead and put this bulb back in place. That all the bulbs are in, I usually go to the front of the vehicle, turn the lights on, and make sure it works before we put the housing back in. Now that we know the bulb is working, we'll go ahead and reinsert the housing. So if you use zip ties to hold the housing out of place, go ahead and cut those loose. Set those off to the side. And then push your housing back in place. Then reinstall the two Phillips headed screws. And just make sure the screws are snug, don't over tighten, or you could crack the housing or strip them out. Congratulations on replacing your own side marker light bulb. It's this one right here. Got it lit up now. Should be good to go. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. I don't want to wait until someday that I notice it's out or get pulled over, so just do them both while you've got the tools out and you know how to do it. Thanks for watching.